Welcome, FLM is a REALME C11, and today I'll show you how to transfer data from, for instance, your phone to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, we need to open up the Files app, which is located in the Google folder. It's right here. When you tap on it, at the bottom you will see the two storages, so internal storage and whatever the weird name is, that's your SD card. Now easily you can define them by just looking at the icon on the side. So internal storage has the icon of like a phone, although it being really weird looking, and below you have the SD card, which looks like SD card. So and that's basically where they are. Now if you don't see any kind of storage here, or if your list kind of ends like basically right here, and below apps there is nothing, you'll have to tap on the three dots, and where I have show storage devices, you should see show storage devices like that. So when you tap on it, they will just simply appear. And from here I'm gonna go to the internal storage. That's where my files are that I will use as an example. But briefly, DCIM folder will have pictures, videos that I've captured with the camera, phone's camera specifically. Downloads folder will have anything that you have downloaded using your browser. Then you have things like movies, music, podcasts, and notifications, stuff like that. Those folders are usually empty, and they will contain files in there if you have placed them yourself. And the last thing that you might have is pictures, and in here the only thing that the phone saves in here are screenshots, and sometimes also thumbnails for photos. So I'm gonna go to the DCIM. That's where my photos are. As you can see, there's two of them here, and also in here a couple more. So you could select them individually by holding the first one and then tapping additionally on the circle to add more. You can also select the entire folder. That's going to be easier for you, like so. Now if you want to move, for instance, all the files in all the folders, so for instance those two plus the four other ones that were deeper in there, you could just go back and, for instance, select the entire camera folder. If you also want the screenshots, and here as they are placed in the DCIM, you can simply just go back however far you want, assuming you want everything that is in this folder, and just select the entire folder itself like so. Now, however many files you want to select and whichever way is best for you, it's completely up to you. Now, once you select it, all you need to do is tap on the three dots, and you will have the two options. Don't turn on. You will have the two options, so you have move to or copy to. And key difference between them is if you choose to move it, it will remove the files from where they are right now and move them to a new location. So if you move them from the phone to the SD card and you remove the SD card, the phone will no longer have those photos on it. While if you choose to copy, it will create duplicates of all the folders, files, and they will stay where they are, plus create the same ones in the new location as, for instance, the SD card. So when you remove it, they will still be on the phone and also additionally on the SD card. So I'm gonna go with move to. It pops up in this window, so move to internal or the SD card. I'm gonna go to the SD card, and from here, that is the normal overview of the entire SD card and everything that is in it. And as you will see in the DCIM, there is basically nothing here. It's completely empty. So I could move it in here. Let's go with here, and I can just move here, continue. Let's just allow access, allow, and it starts moving them. And there we go. And we're now finished. So we're now on the internal storage apparently, and as you can see, everything is empty in here. It kept the folders or recreated them, but if we go back to the SD card, you will see that in the DCIM there is another DCIM, and here we have camera, two photos, and here the four additional ones. And the same process will work for any kind of other file. You do it the exact same way. And yeah, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.